A boy is writing and reciting as well as translating the poem.
Sea. It is a sea. এটি একটি সমুদ্র। লিঙ্গাসে পুরাগুলো পরিষ্কার করো। GSI we see with eye আমরা চোখ দিয়ে দেখি। JKL ring the bell ঘন্টা বাজাও। MNO it is a bow এটি একটি ধনুক।
Takviyatul Iman lil Banat. This is a madrasa for girls only. When a girl completes her education from any of the kindergartens under Al Mahmud Kindergarten Board, she can get admitted here. Here she can acquire more Islamic knowledge. Thus she can bloom her future. Thus she can be an ideal mother of future Muslim Muballigh, Alim and Buzurg. We wish dua for Takviyatul Iman lil Banat. We wish dua for Al Jamiatul Mahmudiya Mahmudpur Tikarpur Madrasa. We wish dua for Al Mahmud Kindergarten Board.